Okay, we're just boarded train number 5, the California Zephyr. We're at Chicago's Union Station. This is a Superliner bedroom. It's a little tighter than a Viewliner because it's 2 stories. As you can see, that's a Superliner on the opposite track. And this is the couch that converts into a bed. That's the upper bunk, which of course I'm not going to use. And there's your sink. It's kind of similar to the Viewliner, but just a little tighter. And in here is your toilet and shower. And that's the connecting door. That's the connecting door to the other room, if you want to make it a suite. And there's a little sink, and that's the door to the hall. I'm taking this train to Grand Junction, Colorado. However, this train continues on all the way to California. Alright, that's all for now.